Yo yo yo, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Honey from the Head to Music YouTube channel, and today I made a beat for Kodak Black's new album, Dying to Live. Make sure you subscribe and join our Discord channel down below. That's all for me, I guess. Let's jump into FL Studio. Okay, in FL Studio, first thing I'm gonna do is tap out a tempo I think fits the new Kodak album. So let's go. I think 112 will be the BPM for this. I kind of have a melody in my head. Okay, so I need to load up. I'm gonna load up some VST. I'm gonna go with Purity because it has some good real life instruments and I want that vibe. Okay, yeah, I went with some really simple chords, but I want to keep it simple and, you know, mellow, really calm. So these are the chords I laid out. Then I laid out these notes up here and these down here. So yeah, this is what the chords sound like. I'm gonna speed up the tempo with some higher notes and some other melodies. Let me jump into those right now. So here is the secondary melody. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna add some maybe gross beat or something to that, but not right now. I'm gonna see if I can find some strings still, or some other sound. Let me check. Yeah. Okay, I did a couple of things. I ended up adding strings. These strings. Just playing the root notes of the melody, and then I went to gross beat on this melody. On this melody, yeah, I added this gross beat. It's a, you know, this is the volume. You can really see it cuts out the volume. That's all I can say. And then I added this scratch right here. So with those effects, the melody sounds like this. Wait, hold. And together with everything else. So I think those will be the main melodies. I might add something later, but I'm pretty sure those will be the main melodies. Then I actually downloaded a Kodak Black drum kit, which I'm gonna use right now. See what I can come up with. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the kicks and the hi-hats. So yeah, okay. Not a lot of kicks, pretty slow. This is everything. So I ended up adding this crash, as I said, and then this snare, that snare, and this open hat on some kicks right there. This. So yeah, not really so much to explain there. The snares were a bit weird. I had them there. Yeah, now I'm gonna go for the 808, and then I would say it's finito for this beat. Yeah, let me go add some 808s. Okay, boom. I just followed the root notes with the 808 and layered it with a kick. So the kick and 808 sound like this. Kind of weird 808, and I'm not gonna juice the 808 up. You know, I'm not gonna. I added a bit of sound goodizer, but normally I turn the bass up a lot. I'm not gonna do it right now because I feel like Kodak don't need that. You don't need that. So I think everything is done. Now I just need to mix this, master it, and lay it out. But before I lay it out, I need to show you this amazing VST or this amazing plugin called Ozone 5. Just put it here in the mixer, and basically you don't have to do anything on top of this. You can basically it masters your beat automatically almost. You still have to change a couple of things yourself, but download this for sure. I can leave a link for it in the description. Check that out. So yeah, now check me out when I lay this out and hear the full beat. But that's everything for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and join our Discord. Come talk.